So I'm doing a bike check. My name's Ernie. We got some Fit Scumbag bars, 4-piece, 9.420, and 27 wide. Got some S&M motor grips in gray. They're really comfortable. Got Merit top load stem and polished. A purple headset cap, Merit Fit Scumbag frame, 20.75 top tube, 4-inch head tube, and a 9-inch standover. Merit seat post, Fit bar stool seat. Merit battle cranks on 165, 48 spine. Got the best pedals in the game. Merit P1 pedals, really grippy. Got Fit blade forks, the V3. They were chrome, but I painted them black. Got a Merit Pentaguard sprocket, 25 tooth, strongest sprocket I've ever had. Got a Shadow half link chain, really polished, like my second half link chain I had of Shadow. Have 4 Merit pegs, 4.75. The GFEs, they stands for Grind Forever. Got Merit option tires, front and back in gray, 2.35. Merit battle rims on the front and back. Polished spokes on the front, black spokes on the back. Merit non-stop front hub with Merit tension hub guards that work on any front wheel, almost any front wheel. Got the Merit Final Drive free coaster, best coaster I had. 3 more driver guard, aluminum. I think that's everything. Yeah, this crank looks real good. Oh, that didn't work.